Hello, moneymakers. I found this unbelievable channel when my girlfriend sent me this cute short a couple of days ago. But the reason I say it's unbelievable is, when I kept scrolling to see some more shorts for this channel, I realized all these are AI generated. But look closely at first glance, or if you have inexperienced eyes.
Daddy, why did Mommy marry you?
Because I'm handsome.
Are you sure, Daddy?
You don't believe me?
It would look totally real to you, like my girlfriend literally thought it's real. But with these AI-generated baby content, they consistently got 50,000, 100,000, and even 1 million views. But this was not the shocking part at all. I took it seriously when I checked the channel details. The channel was created on December 1st, 2025, just a month ago. And within this short time, they got more than 42,000 subscribers and over 83 million views. I was totally mind blown. Immediately, I checked this channel's stats on Social Blade, and it said the channel is earning from thousands of dollars a month. I mean, seriously? All other channels are working like hell to produce some great, knowledgeable, and unique content. And this channel is making so much more than them just posting cute and repetitive shorts. Insane. But it's happening for real. So why don't we do the same thing? So, I started digging deeper and found out the exact process of creating these shorts. Honestly, it was not hard enough to find out, and the process is also easy, which I'm going to show you now, breaking down each and every step in detail, from ideation, scripting, visual generation, editing, to uploading. But before we dive in, I want to quickly tell you about my exclusive school community. Inside, I share premium resources, proven prompts, step-by-step systems, and insider strategies that I don't share anywhere else. You'll also get direct access to me, weekly live calls, and a network of creators who are building channels just like you. If you're serious about growing faster and don't want to waste months figuring everything out alone, this community is the shortcut. You can find the link in the description and join today for $199 only. Now, if you are ready, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. So, this channel is basically our full roadmap. Everything is already done for us. But when most people see a successful channel, they usually make one of two mistakes. Either they overthink it and try to change everything, add their own creativity, and then waste weeks just analyzing. Or they completely ignore it and try to make something original that nobody actually wants to watch. Both are a total waste of time. What we are going to do is much simpler. We will copy the exact format step by step using free AI tools that do almost all the work. And no, this is not stealing. We are not copying their videos. We are only studying their pattern, understanding why people click, and then using AI to create our own videos with the same emotions. That's called pattern recognition, not plagiarism. And this channel is not teaching anything or solving problems. They are just posting short, cute, emotional clips that give quick dopamine. Most videos are only 8 to 10 seconds long. This tells us one clear thing, that these videos are made using a single prompt that generates one short clip. You add captions, upload it, and you are done. No heavy editing, no brainstorming for hours. All you really need is a list of content ideas that can last you one full month. And I will tell you how to produce those ideas within 5 minutes. First, go to our reference channel, because this channel is already getting views. Do something very simple. Copy the titles of all their videos and paste all those titles into ChatGPT. Then, ask the AI to analyze what kind of topics this channel is using and explain the pattern. That's all. You are not asking ChatGPT to be creative. You are asking it to study and break things down, because that will help you understand why this channel works. And in a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a clear breakdown. It will explain the themes, the emotions, the type of characters, the setting, and why people like these videos. But do not stop there. In the same chat, ask ChatGPT to create an ideation prompt for you. This prompt should clearly say what to do and what to avoid. This prompt is what you will use again and again to generate more ideas in future. It will give you the results that is already proven to work. If you also check out the channel's content on yourself, it becomes clear that these videos are about babies, but not newborns and not older kids. They are usually around 1 to 3 years old. The baby is sitting in a warm, cozy place. A mom, a dad, or both parents are there. The baby says something cute or complains in a very innocent way. The parent replies gently, "That's it." This is the full formula. A cozy setting, a normal parent and child moment, simple and cute words. So when you give the AI your ideation prompt, Ask for 20 ideas or 30 ideas if you want content for a full month. And then press enter. ChatGPT will give you a clean list of video ideas that follow the exact same pattern. Each idea will be simple, like a small situation where the baby says something and the parent responds, creating one clear emotion, and that's it. Once you get the ideas, it's time for script writing. But in this niche, script writing is much different from other niches. My point is simple. Most creators treat every video like it's a Christopher Nolan film that needs 3 acts, complex character development, and a twist ending, even for an 8-second short. Seriously? Let me save you from this mindset. People are not watching these videos for the script. They are watching for the cozy feel, the cuteness, and those sweet moments that make them say "aw" and share it with friends. So, when you write a script for these shorts, don't think of it as a big creative task. Think of it as a simple guide. It just shows the AI what to do. So it does not need to be perfect. Let me show how to do it. Take one idea from the list that ChatGPT already gave you and paste that idea back into GPT. Then give a clear instruction. Ask it to write a script for an 8 to 9 second video. Tell it to include 1 or 2 short lines of dialogue. The dialogue should be a quick back and forth between a kid and a parent. For example, the kid does something, the parent reacts, and the kid replies. Or the other way around. That is all you need. ChatGPT will write it instantly. If you do not like it, regenerate it. If it feels almost right, just edit it yourself. That usually takes less than 30 seconds. A simple script could be like this. The kid sits on the couch with a toy and looks at his dad. His dad asks him to guess who his best friend is, and the kid says it's him only. And mommy is the second best friend. In a cute way, see? That's 9 seconds of pure engagement. So once your script is ready, we move to the most important step of the whole process, video generation. And here, you will need to choose between 2 different ways. Both of these ways are very easy once you understand the difference. The first method is text to video. This is the smart, lazy method. Because in this method, you don't need to create any image. You only write a detailed text prompt using ChatGPT and paste it into a video generator. The AI then creates the full video from your description. The second method is image to video. In this method, you first create one still image using an image prompt. After that, you give this image to the AI and ask it to move or animate the image based on your script. Both methods work well and both are free, but depending on how you like to work and how much control you want over the final video, one method will feel better than the other. Now, we will start with text to video because it is faster. First, go back to ChatGPT and use the text to video prompt from my prompt doc. The link is in the description. In that prompt, you will see a placeholder where you paste your script. Then you ask ChatGPT to create a detailed video prompt based on that script. It should explain the scene, characters, place, actions, and mood. ChatGPT will give you a long paragraph, and that's your text-to-video prompt. Copy it and go to 11 Labs, because now it can do a lot more than AI narrations. Once you come to the homepage of it, click on Image and Video, and then, in the prompt panel, switch it from image mode to video mode. You will see a lot of settings and options here, and we have to customize them properly. Otherwise, you might get a generation error. The model that will work for this niche is Seedance 1.5 Pro. Then, select the ratio 9:16. Set the maximum resolution available. The duration should be 8, 9, or 10 seconds, and don't forget to keep the sound option on. Otherwise, you will get the video without the dialogue and sound effects. Once you set the correct settings, paste the text-to-video prompt from my prompt doc and press enter. Within a few minutes, the AI creates your video. Just look at this, the scene looks real, doesn't it? But if you notice any strange movement or small errors, just generate it again. You already have 2 versions. Pick the better one, download it, and you have made a YouTube short without using a camera. But if you think text-to-video feels too random or hard to control, the second method can be very helpful. But before we get into that, I have a quick confession to make and one request for you. For over 2 years now, I have been sharing solid niche ideas with you every single week, without missing a beat. I put in a lot of time and effort to make sure each one is worth your time. And all I ask in return is something small. Just hit the like button. That one simple click really helps and gives me the motivation to keep working harder and bringing you even better niches every week. Now let's talk about image to video. This method gives you more control over the look, mood, and style of your content. This is very important if you want to build a clear brand and not just post random clips. In this process, you don't create a video directly from a written description. Instead, you first create an image. You ask ChatGPT to make a text-to-image prompt using your script. You can say something like, based on this script, create a detailed image prompt that explains the character, the place, and the overall look. When ChatGPT gives you the final prompt, copy it, and instead of 11 Labs, go to Google Labs Flow. Because in 11 Labs, the text-to-image model will work smoothly to generate images. But the moment you use that image as a reference in the image-to-video model, you're likely to get an error. Maybe they have a policy against using kids' images to generate videos. So, open Google Labs Flow, click on Create with Flow and New Project. Then switch it to image generation mode. The model will automatically change to Nano Banana Pro. It's free and works well. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for shorts, and then paste the prompt and click Generate. The AI will create a still image, but if you do not like the image, generate it again. You can repeat this many times. When you get an image you like, download it. Now, go to the Videos tab, and this time, change the mode from text to video to frames to video. This is the image to video option here. Now, upload the image you downloaded. Then write a short prompt that explains what action happens and what the characters say. You can use the prompt from the prompt doc linked in the description. Once everything's done, click Generate. The AI will turn your image into a video. The characters move, talk, and the scene feels alive. If something looks wrong, change the prompt and generate again. And finally, when it looks good, download the video. You do not need a voiceover because the AI already adds audio. You now have a clean YouTube short ready to upload. Before we move ahead, let me be very clear about one thing. Everything you are seeing in this video, you can do it yourself. That is why I'm explaining the full process openly. But I also know the reality. Not everyone has the time. Not everyone wants to deal with tools, prompts, testing, and mistakes. And not everyone wants to wait months just to understand what actually works. When I started, I thought doing everything alone was the only option. I watched tutorials. I tested ideas. I failed more times than I can count. What slowed me down was not knowledge. It was execution. That is why I created my Done For You program. If you want, you can hire me and my team to create videos for you. We are already running 10 to 20 YouTube channels, and AI Maskman is one of them. These are real channels, real uploads, real results. Instead of you figuring everything out, we handle the work for you. We help you choose the right niche, set up your channel properly, create videos in formats that are already proven, and build a system that can scale over time. I have added a link below where you can book a free call with me. We will talk, understand your goal, and see if this makes sense for you. No pressure, no fake promises. Now let's continue with the video. But before you hit upload, there's one tiny step that can make the difference between a video that gets 1,000 views and one that gets 100,000 or 1 million. I mean, it still lacks one important thing every viral short has: captions. Because shorts are quick, and sometimes the human brain cannot perceive what's shown or what's said in a short. But captions ensure the viewers never miss the clarity, and that way, it brings more engagement. Also, if you ask me, in the current era, people watch a lot of foreign films and series, thanks to Netflix. And they are habituated to reading subtitles while watching anything. In fact, I always look for subtitles even if a film or series is in my native language. Otherwise, it feels incomplete. So yeah, you should also give them something to read while they're watching your shorts. You can do this with free software, like CapCut. Open CapCut and import your short. Put it on the timeline. At the top, click on Captions, and under this tab, choose AI Caption and click Generate. That's it. The captions will take a little time to generate. They will match the voice automatically. You can change the font and style if you want. But the default style looks good enough. Now, export the video in the best quality. Use 4K, 2K, or at least 1080p. Do not export anything lower than that. Your video is now ready. Let's have a quick final look at our demo video.
Guess who's my best friend?
Me only. Mommy second.
See? It looks great and is ready to upload to your channel. Use the title that ChatGPT already made for you during the idea stage. You can post 1 short every day, but if you want to work harder, post 2 shorts a day. The first time may take about 30 minutes because you are learning. After some practice, you can finish a short in 15 minutes or less. But my friend, you may not get 100,000 views or 1,000,000 views right on your first short. I mean, you might, there's a chance, but very little. Rather, chances are high that you'll get maybe 1,000 or 5,000 views initially. A high number of views comes with consistency. A channel that uploads daily with good content will beat a channel that uploads once a week with perfect content. Just make sure your content is good, not poor. That is the formula. But now comes the real question. Can you do this every day? Can you follow the system without getting distracted? Can you stop overthinking and avoid adding extra steps that slow you down? If you can do that, you can build something that grows over time. Every video you post gives you another chance to go viral. Every short brings new people to your channel. And since AI does most of the hard work, there is no real reason to skip a day. So, do this right now. Open ChatGPT. Find one reference channel. Copy the titles. Start the process. The difference between people who make money and people who don't is not talent or luck. It is a simple action. And as you just saw, the work is much easier than it looks. And if you want any more help in this process, like you got stuck at a point or something, or let's say you want to learn the video creation process in some other niche, just let me know in the comments. I will check, and definitely, I'll try to help you either by making a new video or replying to your comment. Just don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow my work. See you soon.